Who should I give number one?
That cannot solve the problem, and more problem that for me.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We have something new for our viewers today. Today we have something called the Gen 1 Countdown. That's where we pick the 10 best songs for the year and we display them to you guys. So before we go any further, like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because I'm loving over here. I'm loving honest opinion whenever either when I react to something or when I put something out there. I appreciate the love and support. Remember the PS5 giveaway. Please, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. We're just going to pick some random subscribers. We're going to try to pick at least 100 names, put them in a raffle it, pick a name, and we send it out. We're just going to call the name. You reach out to us, show proof say you name so, and we will give more information on that. But let's get into the video. No. Alright, so our top 10 countdown on the Gen 1 countdown list. At number 10, we have TJ and with Drift. Now, Drift we're doing it from 2023 to 2024. So I think Drift was one of the best songs of 2023-2024. I think that song is going to be played for many years to come. Plus, it has a unique dance, and with the help of TikTok, it was established across the world. I think that is TJ's biggest hit. Now, you guys are wondering, why do you have it at number 10? All right, we don't have them in a specific form, like who's best, who's worse. All right, but that's the one we have for number 10. Number 9, we have Valiant with Lumba. Valiant. I said Valiant. I should say Valiant. Valiant with Lumba. No, Lumba is probably the best song of the artist's career, or one of the best songs of the artist's career. I think that song was a magnificent song. I think that song had a lot of airplay, and I think Valiant knows that song is probably going to be in one of his most essential lists. All right, and for number 8, we have two actually. We have Godfather and we have Mad Out by Valiant. I think Valiant is doing a phenomenal job. Continue the good work. We know where you're coming from in terms of music. We know the disrespect that you have been through, and we appreciate the music you're now putting out so that we can hear. We respect the music, we respect the artistry, and we respect the fact that you are working on your craft. Okay? No, number 8. I went ahead and I chose Fiesta by Armani. Armani has been blackballed. He was put on the back burner by many people, but we love his consistency, and we think Fiesta is probably the biggest song of his career as well so far. All right, so Armani, continue doing the good work. We love to see the work where you put out the album. I give that album a 9.5 out of 10. I soon review album as well, but for that album from Armani, we give it a 9.5. Album was well put together, and we appreciate the hard work you put in. Okay, no, at number 6, we have Tommy Lee with Price. No, Tommy Lee was out of the dancehall scene for a while, but now he's back in full effect, and we have him at number 6 with the hit song Price. That song did a very good job. Video and song was a very good song. So we put Tommy Lee at number 6. No, please remember, you guys can always like, share, and subscribe. But please remember that you guys can always comment down below and let me know. Like, we will make a different list if you guys can put down below in the comments the songs you think should have taken over this list. Okay? Now remember, we are just putting out songs that are good songs. All right? We're just choosing songs that we thought was the best at the time. All right, now if you have a different opinion over this platform, we are not going to act as if we're bigger than anyone to take in your opinion and put it into full effect. All right, number 5, a lot of people might disagree, but I think Alkaline Boss was one of the biggest freaking songs of 2023-2024. Boss for every boss, done for every. That song was magnificent. That song was a hit song, and that song shows the versatility of the artist as well, based on what we know Alkaline to produce. You know, Alkaline produced good music over the time, and I don't want anyone to comment and bash the fact that Alkaline, yes, he's nowhere near to Cartel. We all understand that, we all get that, we all know that, except Alkaline fans. But nonetheless, he's a great artist. All right, I give that song a 10 out of 10 as well. The video was a 10 out of 10. The video reminded me of Pablo Escobar back in the days. If you watch that video and you know anything about Pablo Escobar, you know. All right, now at number 4, I am going to have to put Nige Boy, Continental Boss, and Nomad. On the corner. Nige Boy had a phenomenal run, so we have to drink for that. So Nige Boy, with Nomad and Continental Boss. We have those songs at number 4. No, I will have to say number 3 is 4 Vybz Kartel with Comet. I think Comet did a phenomenal job. It was simply edited, it was simply put out, and it was a hit song for Vybz Kartel. But coming from the teacher, you can't expect anything better. Alright, so number 2, I will have to give that to Masicka with Whites. I think Masicka destroyed the dancehall scene with Whites because that song has been playing every freaking where you go. On the internet, in a dance, in a car. Everywhere you go, Masicka Whites. My dog starts it, don't wash off you. Out of the kitchen, wash off you. So yes, we give that one to Masicka. No. Number 1, like I said, I want you guys to share your opinions as well. I could be wrong. But who do you guys think I have at number 1? Comment down below and let me know right now. We're going to take a short break and come back while you comment and like and share and subscribe. Who should I give number 1?
That cannot solve the problem and more problem that for me.
Okay, now that you have liked, share and subscribed, I think number 1 is well deserved. I think this song was probably the biggest song of 2023-2024, and if you guess right, I have given that to Squash with Big Breeze. I think that song was a fucking destroyer on the dancehall scene. Squash did his thing with Big Breeze. So if you guys agree, please comment down below, like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts on my decisions that I have made. No, my list might not be as accurate as yours because we all have different tastes and we all like different genre of music. But for me, that was the best song of, those were the best songs of my 2023-2024 platform. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.